This video will serve as instructions to the common practice of shaving facial hair. Supplies needed are shaving cream, a razor, and aftershave is optional. First, you'll want to start by washing your face with water. You can use this time to think about what you've done. After your face is nice and clean, you can apply shaving cream. Just a little over 1 centimeter is recommended for most people. More than this is unnecessary. Simply shave it all off until most of the shaving cream is gone. Clean your face with water to get any excess shaving cream cleaned. Next, you can apply aftershave. It is normal to feel a burn, but if this persists for longer than 30 minutes, that sucks. Next, you can look at what you've accomplished. Now that you know how to shave properly, let's see what happens to somebody who ignores these directions. A rare but not unheard of side effect from getting a cool scar is overconfidence. This newfound confidence could lead to getting rejected by people that never would have thought to date him, and modeling companies, leaving him jobless and alone. In effect, he is alone at his birthday party because he asked out all of his friends' girlfriends and female friends. This isolation may drive him to create alternate or fictional realities. Girls will want to get back in contact with him. Modeling companies will reach out with big contracts. This new success will make everybody regret how they treated him. His friends will feel honored that he asked out their girlfriends, and they will throw him a brand new birthday party. However, this new party will be too loud, and the police will show up. The police will recognize him from his modeling career and ask to party with him, and everybody there will have a good time because they all love you.